Hello, this is Jacob from KAYHAN Audio. Today I'm going to show you all the functions and how to really use your Bluetooth. So first things first, in order to access the Bluetooth, what you want to do is either go right here, so your phone option right here. If you tap that, it will take you to Bluetooth, or you can go into apps and tap Bluetooth right here. So once you're here, you have several different options straight away. So in order to make your device, so your unit, a little bit more distinguished and easier to find, tap here. And you can change the name. So if you just tap the name right there, it'll give you the device name option and you can change it. So I would change it to Jacob's car. So we'll go Jacob's car. Perfect. What else you can do is simply change the password. So if you have a basic 40 pin, you could change it to whatever you'd like. So I'm going to change it to simply 1234. But you can change it to whatever combination you like. So from here, what you want to do is go on your phone. Once you're on your phone, obviously go into settings, tap Bluetooth, and make sure your Bluetooth is on. Once it's on, it's automatically going to find what you're looking for, your different types of devices, your Bluetooth devices that are available. And what we're looking for is basically Jacob's car. So we tap that. Give it a moment. It's going to ask for the password, which is 1234, which we've changed. Once you've done that, perfect. That's it, and you're connected to the Bluetooth. As you can see, I'm connected. From here, you have different options. So you can type in a random number. I'll be calling our own headquarters, so KAYHAN Audio. So 1300 396 and 053, and that will call through the car audio. I won't be letting the call go completely through due to I don't want to waste any other employee's time, but yes, as you can see, you can put a number here and call. Other options, such as if you want to add your phone book to here. So I have done this before, so I'll just delete that, give you a moment. And in order to allow it access your phone book, what you want to do is go into your phone, go into the settings, obviously go back to Bluetooth, locate the device. Once you're here, go on your unit, tap download, click OK, and it will give you total 0 records. Once that happens, automatically, once you tap this little eye here next to your Bluetooth option, sync contacts option will come up. Before, it won't be there until you tap this button here and click OK. It won't pop up. Once you have done that, however, it will come up, and just simply allow it. Give it access to all of those. Then once you've done that, click here and click OK, and it'll allow you to see all the contacts. So from there, what else you could do is go here, and that's music. So if you'd like to play your music, simply just click this button here. As you can see, it plays the song perfectly. In order to skip through the playlist, all you need is tap this button, and it plays all the songs on your current playlist. In order to listen to music, however, you're going to have to be on a Bluetooth app. You cannot play it in the background, sadly. So yeah, that's about almost it. The last option, however, has been covered in another video. If you just click onto Bluetooth data service, click go, and click Bluetooth again, you can basically connect your OBD or any other device as well, so you can have multiple devices connected at the same time. But yeah, that's about all your options. Thank you for listening.